right, GBMC, this is the video to find our two 10-spot mini filler winners for my Rogers full-size helmet raz. So we'll check the time, January 10th at 8:19 p.m. I'm going to go over to the mini and type live. And we have January 10th at 8:19 p.m. There's the list of our 40 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top two will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final, looking for the top two. Here we go. We have Mark and Jay. So Mark, you will get the pick of 7 spots in the main, and then Jay, you will get three spots in the main. So that is it. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, January 10th, 8:20 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.